Good morning, beautiful people. Welcome to another day on an amazing island. We're going to jump into the charts for Bitcoin, Ethereum. Hit the subscribe button, join 76,000 people, smash up thumbs up button. My team picked another winner. If you comment down below, every month 5 winners are going to be chosen, $200 each, giving away $1,000 a month. Bitcoin pulled back a little bit just now, still pumping. We're going to see where it's going. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. By the way, I recommend if you're doing technical trading and you're learning how to trade, read the book, Technical Analysis in Financial Markets. It's the Bible of technical analysis. You can also take my crypto master course. The link is down below where I teach you technical analysis, what crypto is and how to trade it. And never forget that this is a new technology on the scale of the internet. So don't get too lost in the short-term price movements. You're jumping into a technology in the early days of its creation. And Bitcoin and cryptocurrency is really a technology. It's the blockchain technology, and you have to really understand it. I also teach you that in the crypto master course. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going, and Bitcoin right now, it's frozen. I'll reopen it. Okay, we're going into the charts. Ethereum is had a pump like the last few days. Actually, as I predicted, Meta up 4% yesterday. TSM stock market pumping yesterday, which is good. In Bitcoin, on the daily charts, we're still the time to sell. So what you're looking at is Bitcoin moving the last few years. You can see up to 64k, 30, 29k, 69k, and coming down. The time to sell Bitcoin was up here at the $70,000 area. The time to be buying Bitcoin is down here to what, from 20,000 down to 12,000. I think worst case scenario. Bitcoin has been bear flagging. You can see here we broke down. We created this bear flag at 30k in June, dropped down again. And now we're in another bear flag here, which is actually bearish. If that breaks, the target would be 12,000. And that's where we can buy a lot of Bitcoin. But I've already started. Don't try to catch the exact bottom. The time to be selling was up there. Time to be exiting. The time to be entering is down here. From now where we are down. So make sure you split up your capital all the way to 12k. So that means if you have what I would do, say you have $1,000, buy some here, $300, buy some at 17k, $300, buy some at 12k, $300. If you had $1 million, buy 300,000 here, 300,000 there, 300,000 there. You have to always do your own due diligence, not financial advice, but this is my mentality when it comes to the markets. We also have a strong support at 17k. We've got a lot of volume coming in, and what's interesting now is volume comes in when Bitcoin is pumping. So you can see the volume spikes as Bitcoin goes up. That's a good sign. Volume spikes as Bitcoin goes up, because before it used to be, but volume spiked, how much buying and selling was happening when Bitcoin would go down. So now it's the volume is coming in when it goes up. So people are turning bullish here. Now we're still playing out in this channel here, the flag, and I think we go to 22,700 at the top of the flag. Squeeze mob is going to green side on the daily still. Stochastic is turning to head down actually, but still got more to move up. RSI is also turning to head down. So let's see, we need to get a strong movement up here, or we're going to come back down to this channel bottom, 19,400, and that would be very dangerous, because then if that happens, Bitcoin can break down to that 12k area. So we need to start moving up here. It's very important. Bitcoin indicator bot fired a buy here, which is beautiful. Crypto Guru bot is still red sell, and it's been a red sell since the start of the drop back in November. You can see here it went red sell back here in April, 42,000, and it's still red sell. It hasn't flipped to a blue buy yet. Let's go closer. So on the 4-hourly, stochastic very overbought. Bitcoin indicator bot firing a buy, but stochastic very overbought now. Crypto Guru bot also firing a buy just yesterday, which is beautiful news. Crypto Guru bot switching to a buy now. Bitcoin indicator bot is firing also a sell up here. It fired a sell at the top there, catching it perfectly. You get these indicators in the master course. Stochastic is turning to head down, but it's crossed now. If this red line crosses, we do expect a drop here. Squeeze mob is going towards the red side now. RSI is turning to head down. So it looks like in the short term we're going to get a correction here, most likely to the bottom of this channel, so this area here. So coming down to 20,300. Let's go in the hourly. Squeeze mob going to red side, RSI turning to head up, stochastic turning to head up as well. So on the hourly we're oversold here. Stochastic is on the RSI. Are we doing any divergence? Let's see if we have any divergences. RSI is making, no, it's kind of this, yeah, it's matching. We don't have really a divergence here. So I would actually be going long here, in my opinion. Or I would go long after Bitcoin comes down to here. So I'd wait till Bitcoin comes down to here, 20,391, and then go long to keep going up. If it breaks this 20,391, we can then go short. So there's two areas here. You can short. You can be shorting from 20,399, targeting, which will be 6% drop down to 19,000 with 10x leverage. That'll be 60% movement. So that's a potential short on Bitcoin. If we break that 20,399, and we can go long on Bitcoin from here. If we bounce off 20,400, we can then be taking long to this resistance up here, 22. Actually, we could go higher to this resistance up here, 22,700, which is 11% movement, $2,368 with 10x leverage. That'll be $23,000 of profit. It's 110%. So long from there, from 20,400 to 22,700, that's a good long to be taking. And going short, if we break 20,399, going short to 19,000, which will be 7% profit trade. Those are the two trades I would take on Bitcoin. If you want to trade Bitcoin, underneath this video in the description, go down to the description of the video on your phone, and you can see Bitcoin and altcoin trading. There you can buy, spot, short Bitcoin. You can short and long Bitcoin, and you can trade altcoins as well. You get a $4,450 bonus when you sign up to Bybit. Make sure you go down in the description, and if you have a different Bybit account, if you signed up with someone else, create a new account, use this link, sign up, and move your funds from your other Bybit account into this account, signing up with this account. Make sure this partner.bybit, because my team made a deal with them, you get this $4,450 bonus, and you become part of my trading team. So make sure you're using that link, and join us in the James New live Telegram alerts group. I've got an alerts group. It's free. You can see here we have now 2,751 subscribers. And I share trades in here, and I'm talking about like different take profits and trades, and my students making massive gains in here. You can join us. It's free Telegram alerts group. Now let's look at Ethereum. Also, my trades on Bybit right now, my Bitcoin trade is still $2,943 in the profits, 49%. It reached $4,000 in the profits last night, but pulled back a bit. But still $3,000 profit from a $5,900 trade. So my $5,900 is now $8,000, which is beautiful. This is a $53,000 Bitcoin trade because I'm using $5,900 with 9x leverage. So it's a $53,000 trade, 2.7 Bitcoin, up around almost $3,000. In here, I have $219,935, almost $220,000. I've got 103,000 USDT, and I've got 3.6 Bitcoin, $76,000 worth of Bitcoin. That's where you can long Bitcoin. So to get that account, you go down below in the description of this video, and you sign up to Bybit. And also on Binance, I've still got a lot of Bitcoin in here as well. So in Binance, I have $188,000. I've got 7 Bitcoin in here, $147,000 worth of Bitcoin, and 38,000 USDT. So I'm starting to stack Bitcoin. Now let's check out the trade on Ethereum, and you can also trade Ethereum on Bybit as well. Let's look at Ethereum, 1,220. That long played out. This is kind of a bull. So we've got, this can be interpreted in two ways. You either have this rising wedge, but in my opinion, it's a bullish pattern. It's an ascending triangle. So builds pressure. We broke underneath, and then we headed up. That's very bullish, because usually when you break out of a rising wedge, which it was, if we broke down, you'll retest and fail and head down. But instead of that, we broke underneath and we recovered very quickly. So I'd actually be longing Ethereum here. Hourly, we're getting bullishness, divergence on the RSI. Stochastic is oversold on the hourly. Stochastic is overbought on the 4 hourly. Stochastic is overbought on the daily. So I'd wait for a pullback on Ethereum first before going long. Let's look on the 4 hourly, heading down, hourly heading up, 15-minute heading up. So we're getting a recovery, but it would be better to take a long here. Oh, we're above the 200 weekly moving average. Nice. If we get a double bounce, this would be interesting. You can open a long here with a very tight stop on Ethereum. Opening a long here, where we are, stop loss just beneath this 200 weekly moving average, and take profit at the top. So that's a beautiful trade. That will give you a 5% trade with 10x leverage, 50% trade, 100x leverage, 500% trade. So this would be a very nice trade to take. 3.98 ratio. For every $1,000 you risk, you can make almost $4,000 on profits. That's the trade that I would take on Ethereum. Opening the trade at 1,220, stop loss 1,200, take profit at 1,283. And in the longer term, if Ethereum pulls back and Bitcoin pulls back, I would actually open a long from here, from 1,184. I would open a long to go a big distance, which would be the base of this triangle, this distance here. So if we can get that movement, we'll have a potential of a massive long to be taking on Ethereum. The base of this triangle would be here, 38% movement. Or so if it breaks out from here, we could be heading to almost 1,650 for Ethereum, which would be beautiful. Again, all these trading underneath the description of the video. Sign up to Bybit, trade, you get that $4,450 bonus. Join us in the Telegram, and you can take the crypto masterclass to learn everything that I'm showing you here. Bybit is one of the best exchange, third biggest, very safe, never been hacked. It's a really good exchange. And I want to say big congratulations to Kenneth. Congratulations, Kenneth. Beautiful morning, James. Great to see you. Hope you're having a great day. My team picked you for 200 USD. Congratulations, Kenneth. Thank you for commenting. This student this morning, he's like some kind of wizard with magical powers. Less than 10 minutes since the trade at 14% in the profits. This is in the Telegram group. This student made 117% shorting Ethereum. This student up 68% longing Bitcoin. This is from the Telegram group. A friend of mine introduced you to the channel. Since then, I've fallen in love with this channel. Thank you. This student up 100% on Bitcoin long, BNB long, so a lot of gains. And in the next video, I'll make a video on BNB and some altcoins as well. Let me know in the comment section if you want me to analyze any altcoins. Hit the subscribe button, join 76,000 people, smash up the thumbs up button. Hope you have a beautiful day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.